If you're looking for patio seating cushions, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 IKEA patio seating cushions. Number 1, most popular, by IKEA. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by IKEA. Number 3. For more info about these great patio seating cushions, just click this circle. Number 4, by IKEA. Number 5, by IKEA. Find these patio seating cushions at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by IKEA. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by IKEA. Discover more patio seating cushions ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by IKEA.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.